In part 1, we saw how Zimbrick made the business decision to bring ADAS in-house and build a true partnership with National Calibration and Autel. Now, let's get into the shop and hear from the technicians doing the work every day, because the proof is always in the performance.
So what does the equipment actually look like in action? Zimbrick's centralized calibration center runs Autel's IA900 system alongside the Maxis Ultra. Let's hear from the people using it every day.
The Autel system has just been, more than we could even ask for. We started out slow and we ramped up, and the Autel has matched all of our needs as we've grown, as we've gotten more, wider variety of vehicles. The Autel has grown with us. We very rarely have to, use OE tool. I would say the Autel is probably about, 95% of the time.
Guided ADAS is one of the best features I think Autel has ever put into action. And so what Guided ADAS allows a shop to do is, as long as the manufacturer has not changed the target that's needed, we can go to the factory service information, input those factory values into the system, and then it will use the camera-based system to accurately set up that stand exactly to the manufacturer specifications. So what that allows you to do is, when you have a certified shop that has access to factory tools when needed, in addition to an Autel system, any gap that you have between what the Autel can do natively and what brand new vehicles may require if there's been a redesign, it closes that gap for you. And that's been a huge asset and advantage that the Zimbrick team has, is that they have all of the wonderful capabilities that the Autel system has natively built into it. And even if there's something that's brand new and just rolled off the showroom floor that's been redesigned, they have the capabilities to take care of those vehicles correctly and safely as well.
We went from, maybe taking a half hour to do a calibration. Now, we're so fast and we're so quick with the Autel. We can snap all cars very, very quickly now with this system.
The great thing about the Autel is it has a simplified workflow. So it's all consolidated. The process for calibrating a European brand or a domestic brand, even though the steps may be different targets, different measurements, the workflow within the tool is always the same. And that makes a huge difference. And it also helps with that ramp up period after you purchase equipment, from the time that it gets into your store to first use, to really getting comfortable with being able to work on vehicles, make sure that they're done correctly, and then get to a point like the Zimbrick Group has here, where they can really build efficiency and do a large volume of vehicles in a very effective manner.
Autel equipment is very easy to use. It will guide you through anything, and you can make the car do literally whatever you want. It's extremely useful. For all the old cars, it's all we can use. So anything older than 2018 for Mercedes and every single Porsche, we have to use the Autel because we just don't have access to that OE equipment. And these older cars don't really communicate well with the new OE software, whereas Autel can just work with it all.
In-process scans are huge for us here. It covers everything that we have here. By far, I don't think I've run into anything I haven't been able to tackle really at all. Huge improvement on efficiency with getting cars done faster, with no problems when they leave. And the ability to get paid to do this stuff where we never were able to before. It was going to our service departments around where we weren't able to do any of that at that time. So that's huge.
Well, it's really nice with the Autel because a lot of the manufacturers, they want pre-scans and post-scans done with the factory tool. And we do that. To do them with the factory tool takes so long. So once we get them in, into our bay and get things tore apart, and if we see that there's a lot of faults, it's nice just to bring the Autel tablet in, because we can go in there, clear the codes, and rescan the car in minutes versus half an hour or whatever it takes. And that way it just gets rid of all the other stuff that's not really relevant or what's really the problem. So the Autel is really fast for that.
One of the biggest concerns shops have before bringing ADAS in-house: what happens when you get a vehicle you can't calibrate? Darren walked me through a real case that shows exactly how Autel equipment and national support turned a potential nightmare into proof of the partnership's value.
We just recently had a vehicle, it was a 2024 Mazda, I believe, CX-5, and the front radar came in, had issues, and when we went to perform the calibration, it kept failing. So we used the Autel tool, we were able to diagnose it and really go in with the bidirectional capability that the Autel has. We could go directly into the module and read the live data out that helped us diagnose what the failure was in conjunction with the manufacturer's service info. And we brought this information to the insurer, and they wanted to do, in my opinion, what I would call an improper repair. And so what they wanted us to do was to replace just the mounting bracket, but leave the radar and see if we were able to get that to calibrate. We didn't feel comfortable with that, but we did what they asked to see what information we would get out of it. And what we found was, after replacing the mount bracket and putting the radar back on the vehicle, we were able to prove through the data that we captured out of the Autel that internally that radar was damaged. And after putting a new radar on and getting it programmed, we were able to return that vehicle to pre-loss condition.
And that gives us the whole paper trail of the entire process, start to finish, to be able to present with the insurance company to say, here's the steps we took, here's what we found in each step, here was our end result, leading us to get full payment for all the procedures that we did.
The fear is you run into a vehicle, it turns into a nightmare, you have to send it to a dealership, you're not able to repair it. That's where having support, I think, becomes a huge value proposition, where you have someone like National that on that Mazda, we were able to remote directly into the tool and control it as if we were standing right in front of that vehicle. And that was huge. Autel is a phenomenal brand. In my opinion, they've built the best aftermarket solution for ADAS and diagnostics in the industry. And they spend a lot of time improving those tools and continuing to develop new tools for the industry. Where a company like ourselves, National, comes in is not only helping customers choose the right tooling, but also to understand how to get the most out of it. The response time is just phenomenal. If I come to them with something that I found that maybe got broken in an update, or maybe a manufacturer made a change and so the procedure needs to change in the tool, if I reach out to Autel, they're very responsive and they want to help. Every time that I have a conversation, whether it's with someone in technical support or even the leadership of the Autel organization, they're constantly asking for feedback. They're asking ways that they can improve the tool. And they're saying, if you see anything that we could be doing better, please let us know. And I've even seen feedback that I've given them be implemented directly into the tool. I think that speaks volume. When you have the end user of a tool that's using the product day in and day out, and they're giving suggestions, and you implement that into your tool, I think that just speaks to the level of value that Autel places on feedback from the end users.
In my 2 years of working with Autel, I just don't know how you could beat it. If I was going to start my own business, I would definitely go with Autel. It's just for level of ease and everything that we've talked about. I feel like it's probably the top of the line.
Autel is doing a great job of messaging that if you're not doing the electronic repairs to the vehicle that are required by the manufacturer with tooling that can do it the right way, like the Autel system, that vehicle is not going home safe. And at the end of the day, everyone wants to make sure that they're sending a vehicle out correctly. Nobody wants to send a vehicle home that has an incomplete repair.
This is what the best shops in America look like. I'm Eric. We'll see you next time on Autel in Shop.